Hello everybody, this is Siva Ravindra. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explaining you the relationship between the TU and TR as well as how to create the RELREC dataset, SDTM dataset with the TU and TR relationship. Okay, so RELREC is the most important dataset, and in the oncology itself, we are going to see the relationship between the TU and TR. So what is this TU and TR? Let me explain you. TU nothing but, so oncology nothing but it is related to the oncology studies like cancer studies, tumors or patches, etc. So here TU means tumor identification domain. So by using various methods, we are going to identify the tumor is present or not. So that information we can capture in the TU domain. So here you can see the TU relation, the data. So here the real-time TU data set. So TU test and TU ORRESU, location, method, and etc. And TR nothing but here TU. So there is a important the relationship between the TU and TR. There is a link ID, TU link ID. So by looking these link IDs, so the same link ID where it is populated in the TR, so we can match the two records. Okay. So here the TU link ID variable is important here, and TR nothing but response, tumor response. TU the identification, and here the responses were captured. Okay. So various visit. So here the TR domain. So that method as well as here also there is a link ID. So that link ID to this link ID we have to match. Here you can see carefully INV001. We have 3 records here. So the same subject INV00 is 1 record. So this 1 record related information, the 3 responses, they are captured in the TR. So we have to pick up the records for each subject. So whoever having the same records in the TU and TR, so we have to pick up that those type of records and create the REL record. So that will give you that subject is belongings to TU and TR. So RELREC nothing but there is a relationship between the 2 or more domain. We have to pick that subject information and create the RELREC dataset. Okay. So as per the RELREC dataset in implementation guide, they have mentioned some specific variable study ID, R domain, use subject ID, var and ID var, rel type and rel ID. So these are the variables only included in the dataset. Okay. So here you can see, for example, they given, so this subject here, the same subject having the 2 records in the 3 records in the CM has 2 records, AE has 1 record. So they given one unique number to this. So this subject is belonging to AE and CM. Okay. In the same way, we are